Hey guys, it's Kristen. Welcome to my channel. Today is Sunday and tomorrow I'm going to be leaving for Canada. I live in Maine. It's about a 10-hour drive to where I'm going. We're going to Niagara Falls. I've never been and I'm really excited, but I have to pack and I really wish I didn't save it till last minute, but here I am. It's noon, so I have plenty of time and I can come back to it later if I decide that I want a break. But for now, I'm going to get started packing. So here is my pack with me video. I have a list on my iPod titled Canada Packing List, and I just have my clothes, accessories, toiletries, makeup, and miscellaneous things listed in a checklist form. So as I go, I will check them off. I find that this is very helpful when I'm packing to just kind of have everything in one place so that I know what I've already done and what I still need to do. So here is what I have laid out. Those are PJs. These shorts from American Eagle, that shirt Aeropostale, Shein, TJ Maxx, American Eagle, American Eagle, American Eagle, Aeropostale, JCPenney, and this is a oversized Cabela sweatshirt that used to be my dad's. And these are just Nike Pros. Now I'm just going to pick out my accessories and lay those out, and then I will pack my accessories. Here are all of my accessories. This basically goes with everything, and then I just picked out scrunchies and bracelets and sunglasses that match everything. Now I'm just going to put my accessories in my accessories case. Chances are I don't put those in the right spots, but that is what works for me, and I find that those are very, very helpful. I got mine at Kohl's. I think it was on clearance for $6. It was either $6 or $13. I got it a while ago, so I'm not 100% sure. Another thing that I find is very, very helpful with traveling and packing is having a toiletry bag. I got mine at LL Bean, just has my initial on it, and it's very nice. It has a pocket for everything, and I'm so excited to use it. I got it for Christmas this past year, and I haven't been anywhere that I've needed to use it. But now I'm going somewhere, now I'm going to use it. So I will pack that last because I took a shower this morning. So some of the things I need to pack are wet, but I am going to start packing my clothes. I use these for my sunglasses. I buy the majority of my sunglasses off of Shein, and all sunglasses from Shein come with this hard case and a thing to wipe it with. So here's my suitcase so far. I'm wearing this outfit tomorrow on the ride, so I think I'm going to take it out. Just smush everything back over. I have my toiletry bag over there, and I'm going to put that in this compartment up here, but I still have to pack some things in it. I have packed most of my toiletry bag off camera because it's like, you don't have to see that, it's just like my shower stuff. Plus there are some things in it that I need for tomorrow morning, so I'm not going to pack it. I will like pack everything, close my suitcase just so I know that everything fits, but I am going to have to take things out afterwards. Now I'm going to take out and organize my miscellaneous things. I'll just read off what those are. My tripod, my ring light, straightener, my summer homework, my planner, pencils, sticky notes, charger, earbuds, and my portable charger, which I actually have to charge and find. I'll do that later. I might just charge it in the car ride, because like I said, it's 10 hours. It only takes like 6 hours to charge the entire portable charger, so I think it'll be fine if I just charge it in the car. But for now, I am just going to get all of my miscellaneous items situated. So here is me doing that. I added a couple things in there that aren't on my list, like my neck pillow, my glasses, and that yarn covered tube thing is my bracelet kit for like those like friendship bracelets. And then there are also some things that I obviously can't pack tomorrow morning. Can't pack until tomorrow morning, like my tripod, which I'm using right now, my charger, stuff like that. I have to check off what I just grabbed because I already forgot, even though it's sitting right in front of me. So I'm going to go check off everything that I have packed so far, and I will see you after I know what I need to do next. I also remembered that I need to bring a bathing suit, so I'm going to pack that right now. I just have this bikini top from Target, I think. It's really cute, just like rose embroidered. And then this basic black top that I feel like everybody has. It's like the wrap one. So I'm going to bring that one, and then just a pair of black bottoms. So I put my bathing suits in my suitcase, and I also packed this bag. This is just the purse that I am going to carry around every day. It's super cute, just like a little backpack style. In there I just have my ring light, and then I have my wallet, some chapstick, a mint, I think. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with my summer reading, because I'm not going to put it in my suitcase because I need it for the car ride. I'm not going to put it in my bag, like my purse. But I don't want to bring another bag. But I don't want to carry it. Oh. I can use this. This is my mom's. It's from Old Navy. So cute. I mean, it's still really big, but what I'm thinking is from the car to the hotel, I can put my purse and like this stuff and this. Okay, so I can put this in here, and my books in here, and it'll be perfect. And I like this material better. Perfect. Even better. Okay, happy now. I'm going to put everything in my suitcase, like my bags and stuff that are going in there, just to make sure that everything fits. I think that is it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for my travel vlog. And thank you for watching.